The Avatar400 General Ledger is a real-time, fully integrated accounting system that is full of powerful features. Unlike many systems on the market, the Avatar400 supplies real-time reports so you can utilize up-to-the-minute transactions and financial reports. Since your company's share of expenses are immediately created, you can run reports at any time to reflect your company's share or A dates. In the current dynamic oil and gas markets, real-time data is critical to your business. Let's take a look at the Avatar400 General Ledger module. The Avatar400 General Ledger makes up the backbone of the AS400 system. When we go into the General Ledger, you can identify how to get information directly into the General Ledger using journal entries. We'll actually key a journal entry here, just a simple cash journal entry, so that you can see the ease and the speed of actually keying through a journal entry. We'll just say this is cash account, and we're just making an entry for bank charges. You can also see you can key something to a well here, well level, to an AFE level, to an owner number, to a vendor number. You can have lots of lines of description. You can allocate these across wells if you're keying to a district or prospect, and you can input volumes as well. When you press enter, it actually goes and validates, shows you the account you're keying to. And so let's go ahead and make this next entry an expense to a well. I'm just going to key a miscellaneous expense to well 6100. I'm going to say it's for vendor number 1 so that you can see how quickly it goes and selects that this is a billable charge. And you can see these fields are blank now, but when I press enter, it goes and identifies that this is a billable charge, and it selects the division of interest that this will be posted to. I'm going to press enter here, F10 to post, and this entry will now be posted into this batch 3000244. If I would like to see that batch once it's posted into the General Ledger, I can go to option 11, put in the company number, the entry control number, and press enter, and you can see all the different ways that this entry, this is the same entry, but how this entry was posted into the General Ledger. It shows you every line, the amount, and the offsets. You can drill down by well here or by major minor as well. So I'm going to enter account 60 for account 60 for well 6100. I want to see all the entry control numbers, not just one. And when I press enter, it shows me all the charges that have been keyed to miscellaneous expense to this one well. It has a credit. Now, if I want to see additional information about that charge, I can actually select item 1, hit F4, and it will show me all the detail just like it was on my journal entry. I can identify this was keyed through journal entry, what the entry control number was, any other pertinent information that I might want to see. So, very quick keying into the General Ledger. The General Ledger is also a depository for your accounts payable, for your revenue, all of your check processing. We have another display where if you just want to see the balance in an account, you can tell it the fiscal year you would like to see and the account number by pressing enter. You can see it shows us the activity for each month. If I would like to see a running balance, I can change this to a B and press enter, and it will give me a running balance. You can also change this to where you can see volumes for wells if you would like to drill down by entering a W and a well number here. These are for General Ledger balances. If I would like to see occurrence date or production balances, I can actually come in and put company 3 again, enter account 60 for well 6100. And it will show this based on production date or occurrence date versus General Ledger date. So some very fast lookups for information that you might be looking for. We have owner subledgers that can be run so that you can identify expenses or revenue to an owner. You can print journal reports, which actually just go out and give you the information in the General Ledger that you are looking for. You can drill down as far as you need to, or you can run the entire General Ledger by just entering a date frame and pressing enter. We're going to look at that report. And this is your entire general ledger for that one company. It pulls out very quickly, very cleanly. You can see the account number, the date, the expenses, the entry control number, the well or vendor activity descriptions, and the amount. So the general ledger is where everything resides. You will not be off between accounts payable in general ledger, accounts receivable in general ledger, any of your revenue subsidiary subledgers such as suspense. Everything ties back to the general ledger. We have recurring journal entries as well. If you have, say, overhead charges that you charge every month but you like to take a few wells in and out of, we do have a recurring journal entry where you can set those up by just taking a post option. It will post those entries. We actually do positive pay, send and receive to the bank to help you with your bank reconciliations. And so, very robust system to help ease your general ledger worries. The Avatar system staff understands and responds to the ever-changing needs for oil and gas accounting and provides world-class, industry-leading accounting solutions. Call Avatar Systems today.